Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mango mousse with mango pulp. Combine mango pulp, dissolve gelatin, and sugar in a bowl, then whip chilled cream to soft peaks. Fold gently to keep air, taste, and adjust sweetness. Pour into glasses or a serving dish. Chill until set and firm. Garnish with fresh mango cubes and mint, and serve cold for a silky, fragrant dessert the whole family will enjoy. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and chilling your mixing bowl and beaters. Bloom gelatin in cold water and gently warm to dissolve. Puree mango pulp until smooth and strain if needed to remove fibers. Whip heavy cream to firm but not grainy peaks. Add condensed milk or sugar gradually and taste. Fold mango puree into whipped cream using a spatula until uniform. Transfer to molds or glasses and serve mango mousse chilled with fresh mango slices, toasted coconut, or a mint sprig for brightness. For a lighter mousse, fold in whipped Greek yogurt or reduce cream and increase pulp. For extra tang, add a tablespoon of lime juice or a pinch of salt to balance sweetness. Turn mousse into parfaits with granola layers for texture, or create a mango tart filling by pouring into a pre-baked crust and chilling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.